Hi, this is Juliet Orfiano. Welcome to my video. Kung first time ka sa channel ko, don't forget to like, share, o mag-subscribe ka para ma-notify kita kapag may bago akong video. Ang pag-uusapan natin sa video ito ay tungkol sa partnership operations. Ang mga topics na i-discuss ko ay ang sumusunod. First, nature of partnership operations. Second, closing entries of a partnership. Third, distribution of profit and losses. And fourth, rules for dividing profits and losses. Umpisahan na natin sa nature of partnership operations. Ang accounting para sa mga partnership operation ay mahalagang pareho sa accounting para sa operation ng sole proprietorship. Ang pagbebenta ng merchandise sa account is debited to accounts receivable at credited to sales. Ang collection ng account ay debited sa cash at credited sa accounts receivable. Ang purchases ng merchandise on account ay recorded by a debit to purchases at credit to accounts payable. Ang payment ng accounts ay debited sa accounts payable at credited sa cash. Ang payment ng expenses debited to expenses. At sa pagtatapos ng panahon ng accounting, ang adjustment ay ginagawa sa merchandise inventory, accruals, prepayments, provision for uncollectible accounts, at provision for depreciation. Ang profit at loss ay madedetermine in the usual manner, that is, by matching periodic revenues and expenses. Subalit may mga special problems na may encounter in accounting for partnership operations. Ang mga problemang ito ay ang sumusunod. First, closing entries of a partnership. Second, distribution of profit and loss. Third, preparation of a worksheet. And fourth, preparation of financial statement. A. Statement of recognized income and expenses. B. Statement of financial position. C. Statement of changes in partner's equity. Closing entries of a partnership. Ang procedures para sa paghahanda ng closing entries para sa partnership ay parehas din sa sole proprietorship. Una, lahat ng revenue and other nominal accounts na may credit balances gaya ng purchase discount at purchase returns and allowances are debited at yung income summary ay credited. Pangalawa, ang income summary is debited at lahat ng expenses at iba pang nominal accounts na may debit balances gaya ng sales discounts at sales returns and allowances ay credited. Pangatlo, ang balance ng income summary account na nagre-represent sa profit or loss ng partnership is transferred either sa drawing accounts o kaya directly sa capital account ng mga partners. Finally, ang balanse ng drawing account ng bawat partner ay ililipat sa kanyang capital account. Ang balanse ng income summary account ay lilipat sa drawing account of the partners kung ang intensyon ng partners is to keep the capital account intact para sa investments at permanent withdrawals of capital. A credit balance sa income summary account ay nagre-represent ng profit at ang balanse nito ay ililipat sa drawing accounts of the partners base sa profit and loss sharing ratio. Ang entry ay ang sumusunod. Debit income summary, credit A drawing, credit B drawing. Any resulting credit balance sa drawing account of a partner may be withdrawn by the partner or reinvest into the firm. Kung ang balanse sa drawing account is withdrawn in cash, ang entry nito ay ang sumusunod. Debit A drawing and credit cash. Subalit kung ang partner ay nagdesisyon na i-reinvest into the firm this balance in his drawing account, ang entry nito ay ang sumusunod. Debit A drawing, credit A capital. Ang debit balance sa income summary account represent a loss at ang balanse nito ay ililipat sa drawing accounts ng mga partners base sa kanilang profit and loss sharing ratio. Ang entry nito ay ang sumusunod. debit A drawing, debit B drawing, and credit income summary. Ang resulting debit sa drawing accounts ng partners is charged against his capital with the following entry: debit A capital, credit A drawing. Sa kabilang banda, ang balanse ng income summary account ay maaaring ilipat directly sa capital account ng partners kung ang partners' intention is to make the profit and loss a part of permanent capital. Ito ay dapat tandaan, however, that either treatment will result to the same net effect on partners' ending capital balances. Lahat ng illustration sa chapter na ito pertaining to the distribution of profit or loss are recorded directly to the capital accounts with the assumption that partners intend to make their respective share on the profit or loss as a direct part of their permanent capital. Ang credit balances sa income summary account ay nagre-represent ng profit and its balance ay ililipat sa capital accounts ng partners base sa kanilang profit and loss sharing ratio. Ang entry nito ay ang sumusunod: debit income summary, credit A capital, credit B capital. Ang debit balance sa income summary account represents a loss at ang balanse nito ay ililipat sa capital account ng partners depende sa kanilang profit and loss sharing ratio. Ang entry nito ay ang sumusunod: debit A capital, debit B capital, and credit income summary. Distribution of profit and losses. In the distribution of profits and losses, ang sumusunod na factors should be considered. First, service rendered by the partners to the partnership. Second, amount of capital contributed by the partners to the business. Number 3, entrepreneurial ability or managerial skill of the partners. Ang distribution o division ng profit and losses may be expressed in several ways as follows. First, by percentage. Second, by fraction. Third, by decimal. Fourth, by ratio. Illustration. Alba and Bueno are partners sharing profits and losses based on their capital contribution of 100,000 pesos and 300,000 pesos respectively. Their profit and loss sharing can be expressed as follows. First, by percentage. Alba, 25%. 100,000 pesos divided by 400,000 pesos. Bueno, 75%. 300,000 pesos divided by 400,000 pesos. By fraction, Alba, 1/4. Bueno, 3/4. Third, by decimal. Alba, 0.25. 100,000 divided by 400,000. Bueno, 0.75. 300,000 divided by 400,000. Fourth, by ratio. Alba and Bueno, 1:3 respectively. Rules for dividing profits and losses. Ang sumusunod ay listahan ng mga rules para sa division ng profits at losses ng partnership based sa provision ng new civil code. First, as to capitalist partners, A. Division of profits 1. In accordance with agreement. Second, in the absence of an agreement, division of profits is in accordance with capital contribution. B. Division of losses. First, in accordance with agreement. Second, if only division is agreed upon, the division of losses will be the same as the agreement on the division of profit. Third, in the absence of an agreement, division of losses is in accordance with capital contributions. Second, as to industrial partners, A. Division of profit first in accordance with agreement. Second, in the absence of agreement, the industrial partner shall receive a just and equitable share of the profits and the capitalist partner shall receive profits in accordance with their capital contributions. Letter B. Division of losses. First, in accordance with agreement. Second, in the absence of an agreement, the capitalist industrial partner in his or her character as a capitalist partner will share in proportion to the capital contribution. Ang profits at losses sa pangkalahatan ay dapat hatiin in accordance with the agreement among the partners. Kapag walang agreement, ang partners ay dapat maghati sa profits in proportion to their capital contribution after satisfying the share of the industrial partner on such income. Thank you for watching my video. I hope may natutunan ka sa video ito. Meron akong ginawang part 2 at continuation ng video ito kung saan idiniscuss ko ang tungkol sa methods of distributing profits based on partners' agreement, order of priority provision, special profit allocation methods, and preparation of worksheet. I-click mo lang sa taas o sa link sa baba ng video ito para mapanood mo yung part 2. Don't forget to like, share, or mag-subscribe ka sa channel ko para ma-notify kita kapag may bago akong video. Once again, this is Juliet Orfiano. See you on my next video.